Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about structure of virus. So let's begin. So virus basically have two parts, okay? The nucleoid, that is the genetic part, the genome, the genetic material, and the outer part, that is the capsid, the outer capsid. This is the genome and the outer capsid. In some cases, it also have an outer envelope surrounding it, okay? Another thing that this virus inside them, they contain certain enzymes, okay, and the main function of these enzymes it helps the virus to invade into the host cell. So now come to the first structure, that is the nucleoid. So it is the main genetic material of the virus, okay, and this part is only the infective part of the virus, okay. And another thing, that this nucleoid, or say the viral chromosome, can be made up of single molecule of nucleic acid. So they are made up of single molecule of nucleic acid, and they may be in linear forms or can be circular, or sometimes they have certain coiling, okay. Now this nucleic acid can be DNA or RNA. Now when a DNA containing virus, we are using a term deoxyvirus, and when RNA containing virus is termed as ribovirus. Now each of has two subunits, that is double stranded or maybe single stranded. Like they can be double stranded DNA or single stranded DNA, or double stranded RNA or single stranded RNA. So when we talk about double stranded DNA, it is found in T2, T4 bacteriophages, and they may be circular or linear. Similarly, when we talk about the single stranded DNA, they are circular, and it's not also known as plus strand. And the complementary or the negative strand, that is the negative strand, the DNA synthesis to produce DNA duplex, and that is important in the case of replication or multiplication. And when we talk about single stranded RNA, so in case of single stranded RNA, they are the ribovirus, and they are linear, they are present in linear manner, and they are causing the foot and mouth disease of virus, influenza virus, or tobacco mosaic virus. Then the double stranded RNA, the double stranded RNA are the reovirus or the tumor virus, and both are in linear form. Now comes the another structure, that is the capsid. Now capsid is what? It is a proteinaceous covering around the nucleoid, and the main function of it is to protect the nucleoid from any damage from the external or the physical or chemical agent. It may get damaged. To protect the nucleoid, the capsid is present. Now sometimes what happens, now this capsid, like here you see the structure of tobacco mosaic virus, this capsid have number of subunits, and they are known as capsomeres or capsomers, okay. And these, like in tobacco mosaic virus, there are 2130 capsomeres are present, okay. And what happened in case of biennial bacteriophages, that is the upper part is cuboid and then the spiral, there what happened, they contain the capsid, and then the capsid sheath of the tail is quite contractile type. So this is what capsid. Next comes the envelope. Now what happened in case of envelope? Now it is loose membranous covering, and it occurs in some animal viruses and very rare in plant or bacterial viruses, okay. And here what happened, that in this enveloped virus, if there is without envelope, the virus which are not having envelope, they are known as naked, okay. They are called as naked, and otherwise the enveloped virus. This envelope is actually consists of proteins, okay, and these proteins are formed from virus, and the rest parts like the lipids and carbohydrates, these they form from their host. This envelope also has certain subunits like the pepelomeres or peplomers. They are the subunits of it. Sometimes these envelope also have some spikes. It may be smooth or some outgrowth is there, and that outgrowth is known as spikes. Okay, commonly found in HIV virus, herpes virus, vaccinia virus, and these are the example where envelope is formed. Now then, enzymes, as I told, very occasionally it is found, and the type which is the lysozyme type, and where it is being needed. It is required when it come in contact with the host cell, especially in case of bacteriophages, so that it can invade into the host cell. Okay. Then what happened? The enzymes that are present. These are the enzymes: furamidase in influenza virus, RNA polymerase, RNA transcriptase, then reverse transcriptase. These are the enzymes that are present. Now see the structure of bacteriophage. So here is the head region, which we can see the cuboidal region, outer proteinous cover, and inside the genetic material, which is the DNA. Then comes this area. Okay, this is the tail region, which is having a sheath covering this capsid is forming a sheath around it. Then here is the core, hollow core, and then basal is the plate, and from where various tail fibers are coming out. Now this is what the structure of tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, see, this is the detailed structure. Here is the capsid, which contains varieties of capsomere. Inside the nucleic acid which is present is RNA type. And here we will be finding that how the capsomeres, if you see the cross section, it appears like this, and this is the core where the genetic material is present. Here is the cross section. So this is what about the structure of virus. In my next video, I will be talking about how they reproduce and how they multiply. Thank you and stay tuned.